Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Kumar and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about what exactly is CrowdSec and how CrowdSec helps you to protect your environment against malicious cyber attacks. So let's get started. To defend your network or your system, you need a particular solution to defend against these current cyber digital attacks. So as you know, everything is connected to the internet, from ordering food online to pay bills or any kind of things. Everything is doing online nowadays. So to protect your environment, to protect your system, you need a solution. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about what is CrowdSec. So basically, CrowdSec is an open source IDS and IPS software. But before explaining you what exactly CrowdSec and how CrowdSec protect your environment, I would like to tell you how IDS works and what exactly IDS. So basically, IDS stands for Intrusion Detection System. It is a piece of software, you can say, which helps you to protect your network environment from different kind of malicious attacks like DDoS or like brute force, like intrusions. So for example, you have a network environment and you want to protect your network environment from these kind of attacks. So you can implement IDS softwares. So you can find IDS in two forms, like in software form or in hardware form. If I talk about the software form, there are many other software IDS available in the market. But how CrowdSec different from those softwares? So open source means you can customize this software as per your needs, and it's a modern security incident detection response solution. It is easy to set up and customize to fit your specific need. So as I said, it is completely free and there are other pricing options available if you want to go further. But if you are starting your career in cybersecurity and want to learn more about IDS and want to protect your network, so CrowdSec is the best solution for you. So let's learn more about CrowdSec. So I have explained you what is CrowdSec. So basically, CrowdSec is an open source solution, and CrowdSec detects security threats in the real time, notifies you of the incident and provide you with automatic mitigations. Apart from that, it has adaptive security rules. So here's a term called rules. So what exactly rules here? So what exactly rules in the IDS environment? So basically, rules is a type of, you can say, a script which work according to your patterns. For example, if you want to protect your network from any kind of brute force attack or from any kind of other cyber attack, you can write a basic rule for that. Let's say you have a network environment and you don't want to run any kind of telnet packets in your network. So you can write a basic rule against the telnet. So if anyone wants to operate with the telnet protocol, it will raise as a red flag whenever a telnet packet discovered in the network. So same goes with CrowdSec as well. CrowdSec constantly learns and adapts its new rules to new attacks. Flexible and modular, CrowdSec is designed to be integrated into your existing security infrastructure, minimizing disruption and maximizing protection. So this is the basic introduction of CrowdSec. Let's learn more about its features and benefits. So basically, it provides you real-time detection. It has a feature of automated response and continuous learning, user-friendly dashboard, community-based tools, and extensible API. So the most important and the most favorite feature of mine in CrowdSec is continuous learning. CrowdSec constantly learns and adapts to new security threats, reducing the risk of false positive and false negative. If I talk about other IDS software in the market, there are many chances of false positives and false negatives. As per my experience of CrowdSec, I have hardly found any kind of false positive in my network environment. So you must try CrowdSec if you want to protect your systems or your network. And apart from that, if you have a computer system and if you want to protect your computer system from any kind of cyber attacks, you can implement CrowdSec in your host environment as well. It's not about only the corporate network environment, you can protect your systems as well. Let's talk about how CrowdSec works. So firstly, CrowdSec collects the data. CrowdSec collects data from various sources such as logs, network traffic, and APIs. Then it analyzes and profiling the data. So CrowdSec analyzes the collected data and profiles users and IP address based on their behavior. The third step is decision making. CrowdSec makes a decision based on the user of IP address, current profile, and the security policy in place. At last, if a security incident is detected, CrowdSec takes places by blocking offending IP addresses or restricting access to critical resources. If you want to install CrowdSec in your environment, so what are the various methods? Let's talk about this. So let's go to Google and search crowdsec.net. So this is the website of crowdsec.net, and here's the documentation part of this software. So when you go to crowdsec.net, so you will find an amazing interface of this website. So here you can see how many malicious IP addresses has been detected till now and what are the weekly attack signals reported. So these kind of things. So here you go. So this is the basic function how CrowdSec works. As I already explained you how exactly CrowdSec works, so you can find many other things as well. So here's a CrowdSec security engine, CrowdSec console, CrowdSec threat intelligence. There are many options available here. So when you scroll down, you will see where you can use CrowdSec. So the amazing part of this software is that you can install CrowdSec in any platform. Like for example, if you want to use on Linux, you can click here, or if you want to use on Windows, you can click here as well. There are other options available like FreeBSD and OpenWRT. CrowdSec is compatible with many operating systems, so you can use CrowdSec in many platforms. So here is a documentation of the CrowdSec platform. So if you want to install CrowdSec on a Linux environment, you can click on Linux, and here you will find the detailed guide of how to install CrowdSec on a Linux environment. So it's a very simple command. First you have to write curl -s https, the whole command. You can simply copy this whole command and paste it in your terminal. Paste this command in your terminal, it will automatically create a repo in your Linux system. So after that you have to write a command like apt install CrowdSec. So after installing the CrowdSec, you have to install its bouncers and agents. So what exactly bouncers and agents here? So bouncers and agents act as a mediator between your environment and the internet. So whenever a malicious packet is coming from an internet, it protects your network. So bouncers will protect your network to defend against these cyber attacks. You have to install bouncers and agents before using any CrowdSec solutions. So you can copy this command here and paste directly in your terminal. It's super easy to install, so you can use it here. And if you want to install on Windows, so you can find the documentation of Windows as well, how to install in Windows. So here you will find all the complete documentation. So here you will find all the documentation of CrowdSec. And if you want a practical video on this, like you want me to demonstrate how to install this on a system, do comment below. I will surely make a video on it. So if you like this video, do comment below, subscribe this channel for amazing cybersecurity videos. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, goodbye.